Think your kitchen has everything? Think again. From ultra-efficient choppers to space-saving organizers, these Amazon kitchen gadgets are not just clever, they're essential. Whether you love cooking or just want your kitchen to work smarter, you're about to see products that will make you say, "Why didn't I buy this sooner?" Let's dive into the magic of modern kitchen innovation. Say goodbye to tangled plastic wrap and frustrating tears. This magnetic plastic wrap dispenser with a smooth slide cutter makes every wrap job sleek and satisfying. It attaches easily to your fridge or any metal surface, keeping it right where you need it. With one swift glide, you get a clean cut every time. No mess, no waste. Kitchen efficiency just leveled up. Maximize every inch of your kitchen with this expandable cabinet shelf, the ultimate solution for cluttered cabinets. Its adjustable design fits perfectly in tight spaces, letting you stack plates, bowls, jars, or spices with ease. Made of sturdy materials, it adds both durability and style to your kitchen setup. Say hello to a neater, more organized space without the hassle of permanent installations. Keep your food fresher for longer with this mini vacuum sealer, a compact yet powerful gadget every kitchen needs. It effortlessly removes air from specially designed bags, sealing in flavor and freshness while extending shelf life. Perfect for leftovers, meal preps, or bulk storage. It helps reduce waste and save money. Its lightweight, portable design makes it ideal for daily use or even travel. A smart upgrade for any home cook. Declutter your kitchen counters with this wall-mounted utensils holder, a sleek and space-saving solution for organizing your cooking tools. It keeps your spatulas, ladles, and whisks within easy reach while freeing up valuable drawer space. With strong adhesive backing or screw installation options, it's both sturdy and stylish, perfect for small kitchens or anyone who loves a tidy workspace. Keep your kitchen spotless with this three-sided splatter guard, designed to shield your stovetop and walls from oil and sauce splashes. It's perfect for mess-free cooking. The foldable, heat-resistant panels create a protective barrier while you fry, grill, or sauté. Easy to clean and store, this guard saves you cleanup time and keeps your kitchen looking pristine and grease-free. Slice your favorite summer fruit like a pro with this watermelon cutter slicer. Its stainless steel blades and ergonomic handle make cutting clean, even slices effortless and safe. No more mess or struggling with large knives. Just press down and enjoy perfectly portioned watermelon in seconds. It's the ultimate tool for parties, picnics, or quick refreshing snacks at home. Keep your kitchen organized and your rice fresh with this sleek rice dispenser. Designed for convenience, it features a one-touch dispensing system that delivers the perfect portion every time. Its airtight seal locks in freshness, while the transparent body lets you monitor levels easily. Say goodbye to messy bags and hello to hassle-free meal prep with this space-saving solution. Meet the foldable deep fry basket, your kitchen's new multitasking hero. Whether you're frying, boiling, or rinsing, this basket handles it all. Its smart foldable design saves space, and the sturdy stainless steel build ensures durability. Easily lift and drain with the cool touch handles, making cooking and cleanup faster, safer, and more efficient. A must-have for every home chef. Say hello to your ultimate kitchen assistant, the electric food processor. This powerful gadget chops, slices, grinds, and blends with precision, saving you time and effort. Whether you're prepping vegetables, making purees, or mixing dough, its multiple attachments handle every task effortlessly. With a compact design and easy-to-clean parts, it's perfect for busy kitchens. Just press a button and let it do the heavy lifting. Meal prep has never been this fast, fun, and efficient, a true game changer for smart cooking. Upgrade your dishwashing game with these non-scratch wire dishwashing gloves. Designed with built-in scrubbers made of soft yet durable wire, they tackle tough grease and grime without scratching your cookware or glassware. The ergonomic fit offers a comfortable grip, while the heat-resistant silicone protects your hands from hot water. Say goodbye to dirty sponges and hello to a more hygienic and efficient cleaning routine. These gloves make washing dishes faster, safer, and surprisingly satisfying. Once you try them, there's no going back. Maximize your kitchen space with this over-the-sink dish drying rack, a game changer for compact kitchens. Designed to sit right above your sink, it keeps your countertops clutter-free while letting water drip directly into the basin. With slots for plates, cups, utensils, and even cutting boards, it's the perfect blend of organization and efficiency. Stylish, sturdy, and space-saving. What more could you ask for? Make delicious dumplings twice as fast with the manual double-head dumpling press maker, designed to press 2 dumplings at once. This handy tool speeds up your meal prep without the mess. Simply place your dough and filling, press down, and enjoy perfectly sealed dumplings every time. Ideal for ravioli, empanadas, and more, it's a must-have for any kitchen. Effortless, quick, and fun. Prepare perfectly sliced eggs in seconds with the egg slicer. Designed with sharp, stainless steel wires, it effortlessly cuts hard-boiled eggs into even slices or wedges. Ideal for salads, sandwiches, and garnishes. Its sturdy base keeps the egg steady, while the compact design makes it easy to store. Versatile and easy to clean, this handy tool is a must-have for quick meal prep and elegant presentations. Maximize your space with the self-adhesive multifunctional slide rail hook. This innovative organizer features a sliding design that allows you to adjust hook positions easily. Perfect for hanging kitchen tools, keys, bags, or bathroom accessories. The strong self-adhesive backing ensures secure installation without drilling, keeping your walls damage-free. Sleek, durable, and space-saving. An effortless way to keep your essentials within reach and neatly organized. Experience the power of slow juicing with the Masticating juicer. Unlike traditional juicers, this cold press technology extracts maximum juice while preserving vital nutrients, vitamins, and rich flavors. Its powerful auger grinds fruits and vegetables with minimal heat, reducing oxidation for fresher, longer-lasting juice. Perfect for leafy greens, hard veggies, and even wheatgrass. It delivers smooth, pulp-free juice every time. Easy to assemble, clean, and operate. Enjoy healthier, tastier juice with every glass. Streamline your kitchen tasks with a measuring spoon with clips. This clever tool combines precise measurement and sealing in one. Perfect for coffee, spices, or baking ingredients. It accurately measures portions while the built-in clip seals your bags for freshness. Durable and easy to use, it's a space-saving solution that keeps your pantry organized and your ingredients fresh. Keep your kitchen clean and clutter-free with the collapsible hanging kitchen trash can, designed to hang on cabinet doors or drawers. It provides easy access while cooking and prepping. Its collapsible design saves space when not in use, making it perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or campers. Simply unfold it when needed and fold it back when you're done. Durable, easy to clean, and eco-friendly. This smart trash can simplifies waste disposal and maximizes your kitchen space. Upgrade your kitchen with the oil dispenser glass bottle. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade glass, it keeps your cooking oils, vinegar, or dressings fresh and mess-free. The sleek design features a drip-free spout for precise pouring and a secure, airtight cap to prevent spills and leaks. Perfect for cooking, grilling, or salad preparation. This elegant dispenser makes it easy to control portions while adding a touch of style to your countertop. Slice, shred, and grate with ease using the Rotary Mandoline slicer. This versatile kitchen tool features sharp, stainless steel blades and a hand crank mechanism that lets you prep vegetables, cheese, and more in seconds. The rotary design ensures safe, hands-free operation, protecting your fingers while delivering consistent cuts every time. Perfect for salads, stir-fries, and meal prep. Cooking just got quicker and safer. Keep your kitchen sink area tidy and clutter-free with the Kitchen Sink Caddy Organizer, designed to hold your sponges, scrubbers, dish soap, and brushes. This organizer maximizes space while keeping everything within easy reach. Its ventilated design allows for quick drying, preventing mold and mildew buildup. Equipped with adjustable dividers and a drip tray, it ensures your sink remains clean and organized. Made from durable, rust-resistant materials, it's built to last and easy to clean. Transform your kitchen routine with this smart, space-saving solution. Simplify your meal prep with the manual mini food chopper. This compact yet powerful tool lets you chop vegetables, fruits, herbs, and nuts in seconds with just a pull of the handle. Its sharp stainless steel blades ensure quick, even cuts, while the non-slip base keeps it steady during use. Perfect for small kitchens, camping, or quick meal prep. No electricity required, just effortless chopping. Baking just got easier with this silicone dough rolling mat, your new kitchen essential. Made from food-grade, non-stick silicone, it provides a stable surface for rolling out dough without the mess. The built-in measurements help you size pastries and pizza bases perfectly, while its non-slip backing keeps it firmly in place. Easy to clean, heat-resistant, and reusable. This mat is a dream for both beginners and pro bakers. Say goodbye to sticky countertops and hello to hassle-free baking. Simplify your breakfast routine with this 2-tier egg cooker. Whether you like them soft, medium, or hard-boiled, this gadget cooks multiple eggs at once to perfection. The double-tier design saves time and space, while the auto shut-off feature ensures safety and convenience. Great for busy mornings and protein-packed meals in a snap. Say goodbye to the mess and hello to hands-free convenience with this peel and stick plastic bag holder, designed to stick securely to cabinets or walls. This compact tool transforms any space into a mini trash or storage station. It's perfect for holding grocery bags while you prep meals, sort scraps, or collect recyclables. No drilling, no hassle, just peel, stick, and use. A must-have for small kitchens and smart organization lovers. Boil water in style and speed with this electric kettle that combines modern design with efficient performance. Whether you're making tea, coffee, or instant noodles, this kettle heats water in minutes and features auto shut-off and boil dry protection for added safety. Its sleek design fits perfectly on any countertop, and the cordless 360-degree swivel base makes pouring effortless, fast, safe, and stylish. Everything you want in a kitchen essential. Upgrade your baking game with this fine mesh round sifter, perfect for achieving light, fluffy flour, evenly dusted sugar on desserts. Its sturdy stainless steel mesh ensures no clumps make it through, giving you consistent results every time. The wide rim and comfortable handle offer excellent grip and control, making it a breeze to use. Whether you're baking cakes, bread, or pastries, this sifter is a must-have tool for every kitchen perfectionist. Thanks for watching. If you found a gadget you loved, hit that like button and share it with your kitchen crew. Don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon must-haves that elevate your home and lifestyle. Until next time, keep cooking smarter, not harder.